Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create a new folder with selected items on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen or in the app library, open up the Files app. Next, tap on the Browse button at the bottom, and then in the Locations section at the top, go to the drive that has the files that you want to change. So I'm going to go into IT Jungles, and then to create a folder from the selected items. First, we're going to tap on the Option button at the top, then tap on Select. Now select the folders or files that you want to place within the new folder, and then now we tap on the Option button at the bottom and tap on New Folder with 5 items. So tap on that, and now you can give a new folder a name. So I'm going to say Tests. So you can see archive number 5 have been moved to the test folder along with some of the selected images below. Now if I go into this folder here, you can see archive 5, archive number 3, and the selected images has been placed within this folder. So that is how you can easily create a new folder with the selected items. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.